The 16th Conference of Parties to the Convention on Biological Diversity begins in Colombia next week. Parties are meeting for the first time since the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework was adopted in December 2022 in Montreal, Canada. The delegates would monitor the state of implementation of the KMGBF and the progress towards meeting its 23 targets. On agenda are discussions on the multilateral mechanism through which benefits earned from the use of digital sequence information on genetic resources would be shared fairly and equitably.
Digital sequence information or DSI refers to nucleotide sequences, protein sequences, epigenetic information and other similar cellular information that makes an organism unique and functions the way it does. DSI complicates the traditional ABS system set under the Nagoya Protocol under the CBD. It exists in digital form and can be shared and accessed online and is difficult to track and regulate. This is similar to biopiracy seen in the case of tangible genetic resources. There are open access databases which store vast amount of genetic data without information on whether the material has been sourced from or whether the rules set under the Nagoya Protocol on access and benefit sharing have been followed. These rules are an integral part of the Convention on Biological Diversity. The Convention has not put down rules for the use of DSI like the ones put in place for use of the genetic resources in physical form. Multiple industries use DSI for research and development of their products and make immense profits from their sale. For example, vaccines such as that for Ebola fever has been prepared using digital sequences of the virus causing the disease. The communities in Guinea in West Africa did not receive monetary or non-monetary benefits for providing the virus sample.
At COP15, held in 2022, parties agreed that a multilateral mechanism, including a global fund, would be put in place to ensure that users of DSI share part of the profits that they earn. At COP16 in Colombia, delegates would decide on how this multilateral mechanism would work. The ad hoc open-ended working group on benefit sharing met twice since 2022 to discuss the issues. The North-South divide is clearly visible in the discussions. While developing countries want stringent rules on the use of DSI, developed countries want the genetic resources to be freely available for research. Down to Earth is attending COP16 and will report regularly from Colombia. Follow us for updates on the negotiations.